Hello everyone, I am doing this sketch of Lord Ganesha in color pencils this time. Would you like to sketch it along with me? Do stay with me till the end because I am going to show you exactly how I am doing it along with step-by-step instructions all the way. For this I am using this cartridge paper pad and these Camlin Crasil color pencils, an assorted 24 color pencil set. This is a very simple basic set, not a very fancy one. You are of course free to use any other brand of your choice. To begin with, I am drawing the outline of the image from the reference image. I am of course going to take into consideration all the proportions of the different elements within the idol and maintain those proportions so that the figure ultimately looks neat and proportionate. I am using a simple 2B pencil to do the outline, the initial outline. I have done the face, the trunk of the idol, the ears, and now the crown of the idol. I am not doing too many details, only the basic outline, the round element of the crown, and the arms now, the hand, forearm, the palm of the idol. The fingers and all will come later. The stomach and then the arm of the idol. All this I am doing in a very light pencil work, not very dark, so that if it has to be modified, it can be modified later. Now comes the legs and thighs, also keeping in mind the proportions of each of the elements with each other. The proportions will have to be maintained at this stage itself so that it doesn't go wrong ultimately, and once the coloring is done, it otherwise becomes very difficult to modify anything. And so at this stage, the pencil stage, the outline stage itself, at this stage itself the drawing will have to be almost accurate. A few minor modifications here and there will be possible, but not too many. So in this way I will continue to do the idol, including the details, a little bit details on the face, that is of the eyebrows, the eyes. The eyes are going to be very crucial as this is a idol. The face of the idol is going to be very crucial, important, and especially the eyes, because the divinity of the idol is going to be brought out only through the eyes, and so we'll have to concentrate on that. And then the bolsters behind and the left hand of the idol holding the prasad or the modak. And now I'm beginning with the coloring. As I've mentioned before, I'm using simple camel color pencils here, which are very simple, not too fancy, but you are of course open to using any brand of your choice. I'm applying with the tint shade the basic layer. Again, as always, I'll be working in layers. This is the very basic first layer, and I'm using simple oblique strokes to do most of the sketching. Maybe a few horizontal and vertical ones later on, but mostly oblique ones. And with shades of the flesh, that is the flesh tint, a little bit of pink, a little bit of orange, a little bit of red, a little bit of yellow here and there. With all these shades, I am doing the flesh part of the idol, the face, the ears, the hands, etc. While doing this, of course, we will have to take into consideration the light source. As always, I always mention this in most of my videos, almost all of my videos, that the light force is very important to do the shading. Only when the light source is known and we know which direction the light is coming from, the shading is going to be able to done, because the light side of the elements will be towards the light and the dark sides will be against the light. So in this case, the light source is coming from the top left corner onwards, a little frontal left corner, and so the right sides are going to be in darker values and left sides of each of the elements are going to be in lighter values as they are facing the light direction. I'm beginning to add a few details like the eyebrows and eyes at this stage. Again, like I said, it's going to be worked in layers, and so I will be working more and more in subsequent layers on each of these elements again and again, using different colors and blending them together. I'm not using any stump or any sort of a tool for blending. I'm going to do only in sketch form, and so I'm going to leave the sketchy marks as they are without blending, which is also a good sort of a study to do while doing sketching. You need not do blending all the time. It gives a good effect of sketching, and so that is good enough. For the crown portion, which is golden crown, I am using lemon yellow, yellow ochre and brown to show the shadings of the golden crown portion. This kind of sketching can really be a very good source of study work for more serious work later on. This gives you a very good foundation to work on your basic foundation work. You get a good idea of light and shade, a good idea of proportions, a good idea of values, and everything related to basic drawing work, which can really work as a good foundation when you really want to work on more bigger works, serious works, and also in different mediums, because the principles remain the same for all the mediums. Now, since this is just a sketch, a sort of a study work, I am not going to work on too many details, like each and every minute detail, especially in the crowns and jewelry and things like that, is not what we want. We don't want a photorealist work here. The image is taken only for reference so that we get a sense of the proportions and colors and values and things like that, but we are not aiming at having any photorealistic effect here, and so the aim is not to have an exact copy of the image that we are working from. That is going to be only for reference, and only the very major sort of composition and things are going to be taken care of. That is what we are going to aim for. And so in this fashion, let us develop more and more on the work here, working more and more on the layers and adding more and more details and shadings and values subsequently. figure of the idol is now done, and so now let's add some background. Here I'm adding a blue background. You are open to keeping it white as it is in the reference image, or if you want to add even any other color background, that's fine too. And so our sketch of Lord Ganesha in color pencils is done. I hope you liked it. If you did, do give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notifications for future videos. Do leave your comments and share it with your friends too. Also click on the end screens displayed above so you get to watch other videos. See you in the next video.